Welcome to our video on the top 7 free AI tools that can save you over 10 hours every week. We'll show you how to work smarter, not harder, using the best AI for productivity in 2026. In this video, you'll learn about 7 powerful AI tools covering writing, coding, design, and voice generation. Plus, we've included a bonus section with pro tips and time-saving hacks. Do repetitive tasks, long content creation, or research overload sound familiar? AI tools can solve these everyday struggles, instantly automating your work and saving you time, all for free. Starting at number 1, ChatGPT is the world's most versatile AI assistant. It handles writing, coding, brainstorming, and planning, all through a simple chat interface. It can save you up to 3 hours a day on writing tasks alone. Become a ChatGPT power user with these expert tips. Use the role prompt for specialized answers, rewrite and polish to clean up drafts, and the email generator for professional emails in seconds. Number 2 is Claude, which excels at nuanced, human-sounding, long-form content. It is perfect for document analysis, deep research summaries, and long-form writing tasks. Claude can save you over 2 hours weekly on research and analysis. Claude shines in tasks like uploading a PDF for quick summaries, ghostwriting content that matches your personal tone, and performing code reviews. It can also instantly create professional email drafts. Perplexity AI is number 3. This conversational search engine provides instant, AI-cited answers, eliminating the need for extensive tab hopping. The comparison shows that Perplexity delivers insight in just 30 seconds, compared to 5 to 10 minutes with Google, saving you 2 hours weekly on research. Next up is Gamma, an AI tool for instant presentations and documents. Simply type your topic, and Gamma handles the design, layout, and visual storytelling. You get AI-generated slide decks and easy export options, saving around 3 hours per presentation. Notion AI is your all-in-one productivity workspace. It offers an AI writing assistant, Q&A over your documents, and instant meeting summaries. It saves about 1.5 hours a week on note-taking tasks, proving invaluable for personal use. Canva AI is number 6 for design automation. You can generate images, remove backgrounds, resize for any platform, and create branded content with no design skills. Use features like Magic Resize and the Brand Kit AI to save 2 hours weekly on design tasks. Finally, ElevenLabs is the most realistic AI voice generator. You can create professional voiceovers and narration for videos and podcasts in minutes without a microphone. This tool can save you over 3 hours on voiceover production every week. Here's a comparison of all 7 tools. Each offers a valuable free tier and specializes in a different area. By leveraging these free tools, you can automate essential work and save significant time daily and weekly. Combine these tools for the perfect AI content workflow. Research with Perplexity, draft with ChatGPT, refine with Claude, build your deck in Gamma, design visuals with Canva AI, and finish with a voiceover from ElevenLabs. This sequence creates a complete content piece in under 30 minutes. As a bonus, here are 5 more free AI tools. Otter.ai for transcription, Runway ML for video editing, Copy.ai for marketing copy, Midjourney for image generation, and Whisper AI for speech-to-text. Utilize these to further enhance your AI stack. Now, let's explore pro tips to maximize your AI results. Be specific in your prompts, use role prompting for expert output, and always chain tools together for a seamless workflow. Remember to iterate for better answers and automate repetitive tasks to save time. By integrating all 7 of these AI tools, you can achieve significant weekly time savings. We project 16.5 hours saved per week, which translates to 66 hours per month, or a massive 792 hours per year, improving your efficiency dramatically. It's time to start using AI today to work smarter, create faster, and reclaim your time. We encourage you to share your favorite AI tools in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.